What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. So I thought I would try something that I've never done before. And I see them all the time on YouTube, and I thought it looked cool. And with college football here, I thought I would do something to support my favorite team and try my first shoe custom. So I got a pair of these Nike Air Force 1, and I am gonna try hydro dipping. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out. It could be terrible, but I've never done anything on a shoe. They're super expensive. I'm probably gonna screw them up. Let's just try it out and see how it works. I think I'm gonna hydro dip first. I'm gonna get to taping over there, and then we'll dip. Let's go that way. Go there, and I'll meet you over there. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been a week, as you can tell from my beard. I finished the shoes. I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. I wasn't sure how this project was gonna go. The biggest challenge that I had was taping. Taping was horrible. It took like an hour a shoe, and I still don't even think I got it right. In a couple areas, my tape actually failed. I think it's because I actually had to hydro dip these 4 times. 4 times. The red maroon just didn't cover very well at all. It could also be my technique. I might not have added enough of a layer to the water with the red itself. So like I said, it took 4 different tries. You might see from the video, I came at it from a couple different angles to get the best coverage. But overall, I'm really happy with the way they turned out. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me any comments below if you have any suggestions for future videos or some suggestions about what I could have done to improve this project. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, thanks for watching, and keep creating. Bye.